have created a website form using Typeform, and here I wanted that whenever I receive a new form submission, then instantly I want to send an automated personalized SMS to that lead in order to start engaging with that lead instantly. And now here manually sending SMS to your leads or customers very time consuming task. So in that case, I have built a simple automation where I've connected my Typeform with an SMS sending application, that is Twilio, so that whenever I receive a new form submission through my Typeform, instantly a SMS is sent to that lead via Twilio without any manual efforts. Sounds magical, right? So now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can automate SMS sending using Pabbly Connect and Twilio. And before we begin with the process step by step, let me show you that how actually it works by simply making a form submission. So this is my Typeform, and here I'm going to enter the full name as dummy user. Moving forward, here for the email, I'm going to enter it as dummy@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, I'm going to add my own number in order to receive the message on my phone number currently. After adding my number, we're going to click on the submit, and it says thank you. That means we have successfully made a form submission. Now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone for the same. Alright, so this is the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone that says send from your Twilio trial account. Hi dummy user, thank you for your inquiry. We have received your details and our team will contact you shortly to assist you further. Team Digital Dynamics. So this is a small personalized SMS, and here my SMS contains a statement that says send from your Twilio trial account, because currently I'm using a trial account. But if you're using a paid account, then your SMS will not contain any such statement. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this automation, and now here in this tutorial we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too by accessing this automation software, searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. And for your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, we need to create a workflow first, and here you can see two options. One is create from scratch and the other one is create using AI. So this is a new AI workflow builder launched by Pabbly. So we're going to select that, and here it says, hey, what would you like to automate today? So here I'm going to describe my workflow in a single line, and I'm going to give it as a prompt to this AI workflow builder in order to create my workflow. So let me add that. So it says when a form is submitted on Typeform, send SMS via Twilio. So this is a one-line prompt that I've given, and it says which Typeform trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to select new entry, and for the Twilio, we are going to select the action event as send SMS message. Here you can see the preview of the workflow created by AI workflow builder. So I'm going to click on this approve and create, and here we have received the workflow link, and here you can see the workflow built by our AI workflow builder. Now here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here we are going to build a new connection for the Typeform, and we're going to click on this connect with Typeform. Here you can see it is requesting for the access. So we're going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because I was already logged into my account in the same browser. Then here it is asking for the form. So here I have a form with a name, contact us. So we're going to select the same from the drop down, and then for the response format I'm going to update it to simple because I wanted to receive the simple organized format, because here I wanted to receive the response in a simple and organized format. So then we're going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to make a test form submission using our type form. So for that let me take you back to my form. Here I'm going to refresh it, and now I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. For the full name I'm going to enter it as test user. Then for the email address I'm going to enter it as test@pabblytunes.com. Here for the phone number, firstly we're going to select the country code as India, and here I'm going to add a random number. And then we're going to make this form submission. Here you can see we have successfully made a form submission. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And you can see instantly we have received a response where we have received all the form details. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new form submission, we are going to send the instant SMS to that lead via Twilio. So we're going to build a new connection over here as well, and it is asking for account SID authorization token and account SID once again. So now here to get these details, let me take you to my Twilio account. So this is my Twilio account, and here under account info you can see the account SID authorization token and my Twilio phone number. So for now I'm going to copy both of these details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. So let me do that. Alright, after adding the details, we're going to click on the save, and you can see we're now successfully connected. Then here it is asking for the body of the SMS. So here I need to enter the body of the SMS that I want to send to my lead whenever a new form submission is received. So let me add that. So this is the body of the SMS that says, "Hi, name, thank you for your inquiry. We have received your details and our team will contact you shortly to assist you further. Team Digital Dynamics." So here you can see I have used a variable in the place of this name because here I'm going to add my name, because here I'm going to add the lead's name. So here instead of entering the lead's name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new form submission through our type form. Then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and then we're going to search for the name. So this is our lead's name, and with this we have successfully completed our SMS. Then comes the sender number. So here I need to enter my Twilio phone number. Let me add that. Alright, so this is my Twilio phone number, and then comes the respond number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this SMS. So again here I'm going to map my leads number. So this is my leads number, and here after adding the details we're going to click on the save and send test request. But before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive an SMS over here. Then we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means I have successfully sent a SMS on my phone number. So now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS that I have received. So this is the screenshot of the SMS that I have received on my phone that says, "Hi test user, thank you for your inquiry. We have received your details and our team will contact you shortly to assist you further. Team Digital Dynamics." So this is the SMS that I have received, and with this we have successfully set up entire automation. So these were the very simple steps to how to automate SMS sending using Pabbly Connect and Twilio. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now here you can set up the same automation for your different users, such as to send the SMS to your leads or existing customers' data whose data you have in Google Sheets. Yes, alright, so now here if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code that is available on your screens. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.